Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today we got a cool episode. I'm going to pick up a a 2015 Scion, a new car to me, from an old tow yard. There's a bunch of vehicles in the back, and this one's back there. It is wrecked in the front end, but I think it's mostly just like fenders, hood, bumper, you know. Hopefully no structural stuff, but we'll see as we dig into it. So I'm on the way to pick that up. Gonna meet the guy probably in about 45 minutes or so, and I'll get some video of us loading it up, and we'll see what condition it's really in. So, all right, let's head that way. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I'm here at the tow yard. It has sustained some pretty heavy front end damage. I think we can just take all those body panels off and replace them, though. Hopefully it's not too much structural damage. The interior looks to be in pretty good shape. It is a manual, as you can see. Just some trash in there left over from the previous owner. It does have Toyota badges on it right now. I think someone replaced that rear trunk lid and front bumper because the VIN comes back as a Scion. This junkyard is pretty cool, though. There's a bunch of cars here, all that have either been in wrecks or impounded or just have been sitting here forever. I've just got the car back to my buddy's house, and I'm going to start taking the hood and fenders off and the bumper. As you can see, it's pretty rough, but I think the motor's okay, and so we're going to start tearing into this. Maybe a new battery, make sure the oil's topped off because I think it's pretty low, and see where we go from there. But I'm excited. I think it'll run good.